Let's find the derivative of e to the x over x squared. Since we have e to the x divided by another function, we're going to need to use the quotient rule, which I've written here for your reference. F prime g minus g prime f divided by g squared. F is the numerator, e to the x, and g is the denominator, x squared. So to take the derivative of e to the x over x squared, we just use our quotient rule. F prime g, that's going to be the derivative of e to the x, which is just e to the x, multiplied by g, the function in the denominator, so x squared. And then minus g prime f. G prime is the derivative of the function in the denominator. The derivative of x squared is 2x, so that's minus g prime. And then we have to multiply by f. F is the function in the numerator, e to the x. So that's our numerator using the quotient rule. And then we have to divide by g squared. G is x squared. So g squared is x squared. Then we can cancel out a factor of x. In the denominator, we have x to the 4, x squared squared. And in the numerator, both terms have a factor of x. This term has 2 factors of x, and this one has 1 factor of x. So we can cancel out 1 factor of x. That brings us here. The x to the 4 in the denominator is now x cubed. That x squared is now just x, and this x is gone. Finally, x times e to the x minus 2 times e to the x. You may prefer to write that in factored form like this. X minus 2 times e to the x. That's just factoring in e to the x out of those 2 terms in the numerator. The denominator, of course, is still x cubed, and that is our final answer. That's the derivative of e to the x over x squared. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.
Stressed out, sweetie, I'm stressed out. Sounds like you've been stressed out. Tell me what you're stressed about. Stressed out, honey, I've been stressed out lately. Don't know what's what, don't know what I'm stressed about. Stressed out, sweetie, I'm stressed out. Sounds like you've been stressed out. Tell me what you're stressed about.